Hi, my name is Landon Chandler. I work for Illinois Extension with Perry and Randolph County. We're going to be trying out a new recipe with you today, so I hope you and your family enjoy.
Today we're going to be making our confetti bean salsa. First thing we need to do is rinse off a can of black beans and a can of corn. Then we will chop up our green pepper. Next, we will add our black beans and corn in a bowl, along with 1 cup of salsa, a jalapeno pepper, and the rest of our green pepper. And we're going to mix it all together. Now you could eat your salsa with tortilla chips, or you could use it as a topping for cooked chicken, pork, or tacos.
So this is our end product. This is our confetti bean salsa. Hope you guys enjoy.